4 weeks today. This is what you call weaning. That's how you wean them off the mama. Let me see, y'all. I know it's good, but let me put it in the middle. What you call weaning, y'all. Get the puppy. Be quiet. You get the puppy food. You put it in the bowl. Get some hot water. Let it soak for about 5-10 minutes until it get mushy. And give it to them. That's how you wean them off. Give them some water if they want it. A little bit of water, y'all. A little bit of water. Oh, my bad. Got water on you. But yeah. So I do this in the morning, and then the afternoon, and then at night, I'm gonna let them get back on the mom to about 5 weeks. So next Saturday, they should be eating hard food. But right now it's mush. What's up, Mom? Was it good? Was she good? Was she good? Big boy. What? No.